To use your Halifax debit card on your phone, you can set it up for mobile payments using Apple Pay or Google Pay, depending on your device. Here's how to do it. For Apple Pay, open the Wallet app. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app. Add your Halifax card. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select debit or credit card and follow the prompts to add your Halifax debit card. You may be asked to verify the card via SMS or email. Verify and add. Once verified, your Halifax card will be added to Apple Pay. Use Apple Pay. To pay, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authenticate the payment. For Google Pay, download Google Pay. If you haven't already, download the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store. Add your Halifax card. Open the app, tap Payment Methods, and select Add the card. Follow the prompts to add your Halifax card. Verify and add. You might need to verify your card through a one-time code sent to you. Use Google Pay. When making a purchase, unlock your phone and hold it near the terminal to pay.